Hi everyone! Some parents have requested some printable work or worksheets so their child can work in different locations. So I just wanted to make sure that you all knew how to locate the new folder and how to print. Here we are on the RCS Work from Home website. I'm going to make sure I go to the AWB tab and Grade 1. Make sure you go to the resource folder. Here is the new folder called Printables. We have divided it into a math section and an ELA section. There's nothing in that ELA section as of yet. It's coming. Right now there are worksheets in subtraction, place value, and addition. We will be adding to these periodically, so please check back. If you guys are in need of anything, please reach out. We're happy to help. Thanks so much. Bye.